Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing video where today we are going to be unboxing the ASRock B450 Pro4 ATX motherboard. If all those terminology means anything to you, then excellent. But in any case, we are going to be unboxing the motherboard. This thing is, obviously, it's part of the computer. Not sure why I'd even say that, but in any case, it is part of the computer, and we are going to be unboxing it today. So the box is really nice on the outside. It's got some pictures and things, diagrams and words and things on the back, and I'm probably going to read those later. And in any case, it is ready to go, so let's go ahead and unbox it. And if you would like to see this thing in use and actually being built into the computer, if you want to see it being built into the computer, then go ahead and check out the computer build video, because I'm going to be having someone come in who actually knows what they're doing more than I do to help me build it. And you guys can see if you guys want to know anything about that. But in any case, back to here, this is a manual. This is a very, very thick manual, actually. And it has a CD of some sort or DVD in it, and this manual is in a bunch of different languages, I think, right? That is so far all English. Okay, this is some other language. I think it's French, and then there's a bunch of other things and stuff. So, and there's like Chinese or something. So yeah, so this thing is not as intimidating as it looks, even though it is quite thick because it has multiple languages in it, but it does have a lot of information, which is probably worth reading. In any case, here's a packing list for some reason. And I forgot to mention, this is actually my second time unboxing these parts in this video, because I unboxed them once and then put them back in the box, and then now we're unboxing them again. So, now to the video. Don't need that. Here is the cover for the back of the case. I think that's what this is for, and if you guys want to know exactly, then go ahead and check out the build video. But in any case, on the back of the computer case, that's what this is for. In any case, to mark the ports and things, this is a SATA 3 6 gigabit per second cable, which is excellent. It's actually got 4 plugs in it, if you can sort of see that. Let's try to move it closer to the camera so that you can sort of see there's 4 plugs in there. And then this is a sheet of paper installing memory modules, how to install memory modules. That is excellent that is there. There's also this, which is a screw. This is a screw as well. And this in here, underneath this nice protective thing that holds it in place very nicely, is a motherboard. Not just any motherboard, but the specific motherboard that was supposed to come with this packaging, which is always good. But in any case, there is a motherboard here, and it has all kinds of little fancy things, if you can sort of see that underneath the plastic that it's in, because it is in plastic so that it doesn't get damaged. Let's see if I can take this out without damaging anything, because that is always a good thing to do. If you can sort of see inside here, there's all kinds of parts and things to the motherboard. On the back, there's the ports as well. There's all kinds of things. And there's the bottom of the thing has a black styrofoam thing underneath it. So it is well protected underneath. So that is good. And that's that. So if you guys want to see this being actually put into a computer build, then go ahead and check out the computer build video. If you guys would like to know how to not break your first computer build, then go ahead and check that out as well. And if you guys want to see how all these parts perform, then go ahead and check out the gaming channel. And if you guys know anybody who might be helped by this video or by any of these videos or whatever, then go ahead and share the video with anybody who you think might be benefited by such a video. But in any case, that is that. And in case any of you guys are wondering, I'm not going to be unboxing the SSD and the memory, because they just come in simple packages like this. There's the memory, there's the SSD, and there's not really much to see to unbox as far as I know. I haven't actually opened them, but it doesn't look like it. So in any case, that is that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys later. Bye-bye! Oh, and I forgot to mention, there will be a link in the description to the motherboard part on Amazon or on somewhere. And so if you guys want to go ahead and buy that, it'll take you right to the product page, and it will hopefully, if I have time to get the affiliate program set up, I haven't had time to do that, but then it'll be an affiliate link, which means that I will get a cut of the money. What is it called? A commission. That's the word. I'll get a commission if you buy the things from there. So you'll get a product, and I'll get a commission, and that's a benefit. If you want to see how all these parts are performing, then go ahead and check out the gaming channel. See you later.